Hi everyone, in this video we're unboxing our Discovery collection. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. The Discovery collection features 4 whole leaf teas from different categories, highlighting the range of flavor that exists in premium tea. This makes it great as a gift or a way to explore and find your next favorite tea. In the box, you'll receive 4 1-ounce tea samples, including brewing recommendations and information for each. All 4 teas are crafted from the same species plant, Camellia sinensis. The diverse flavors are a result of differences in provenance, variety, harvest season, and crafting method. To learn more about these differences, we have another video introducing the main categories of true tea and how they are crafted. The first tea in the Discovery collection is our Pre-Rain Dragonwell, China's most famous green tea style. Pre-Rain Dragonwell is cultivated in central Zhejiang province and harvested from young spring leaf buds. After harvest, the leaves are gently pan-roasted, giving the tea a wonderfully smooth and nutty flavor profile. The second variety is Alishan Spring, Taiwan's most famous tea. This Formosa oolong is crafted from Qingxin cultivar tea leaves and grown nearly 5,000 feet above sea level in Alishan, resulting in a crisp, fresh taste with a naturally creamy finish. The third tea is Amber Wuyi, a darker style Wuyi oolong from Fujian province. Amber Wuyi is crafted from the traditional Shuixian variety and charcoal roasted. This produces a tea with notes of dried fruit, burnt caramel, and whiskey barrels. The final tea in the box is 3 Cultivar Red, one of our most popular black teas. 3 Cultivar Red is also crafted in Fujian province, but from a blend of 3 leaf cultivars for a balanced profile that is both rich and fruity. The recommended brewing method is slightly different for each of these teas and is included on the packaging. For the best taste, we recommend brewing these teas Gongfu style. To learn more about our range of tasting collections, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.